Hello you guys, Trey Ratcliff here in studio, and I want to show you another quick Luminar tip. I've been using this thing a lot. Two of my favorite features, two of my favorite filters are the sun rays filter, which is I did another video on, and the AI filter. But I thought this one I would show you how to make like really cool fireworks. All right, I know this is something everyone wants to be able to do. All right, I thought we'd take this photo from Epcot and work on it. So I've already cropped in a little bit on this thing, right? By the way, artistically, you don't always have to show the entire Epcot Center, right? You could just show part of it, and people's brain fills in the rest of it. All right, so that's why I kind of chose to crop in tight. A lot of times I find with people's fireworks photos is they're just too far back, and the fireworks are a minor part of the photo. So here I feel like the fireworks are a little bit blown out. I feel like it's a little bit too bright over there. So we're gonna enhance them a little bit, okay? Take a little artistic license. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make a new layer, okay? This is another huge advantage of Luminar over Lightroom because you can't do layers, okay? Because I'm gonna make some changes and I only want those changes to take place in the fireworks area. Okay, so I'm gonna go change my workspace to the Tray 1 workspace, which is nice. You get to create your own workspaces, which have all your own filters in there, right? If you ever want to add a filter, right, just click Add Filter, and you have a whole ton to choose from over here. And you can save your workspace. So one I do like to use, especially in situations like this, is Structure, all right? So watch as I increase the amount, you can see how it makes the fireworks pop a little bit, okay? Now, I'm going to go a little over the top, because when I brush it in, I'll be a little bit more subtle, okay? So I'm gonna move this up. I'm gonna increase the softness and the boost a little bit here, okay? And it's, again, your choice on softness. I like things to be a little softer. If you wanna go for a more grungy look, you can move the softness below 50 down to kind of the sharpish kind of area, okay? Do a little bit of that. So I add structure, and then I also like the AI filter, okay? The accent AI filter. So I'm going to slide this one up here a little bit. Cool. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to choose my brush. Okay, I'm just going to press B for brush. And by default, your brush is at 100%. So I'm going to go do 100% at the core of the firework, right in the middle. Okay, so I'm coloring in here in the middle at 100%, okay, because I kind of like that contrast right at the source. And then I'm going to drop my opacity down to about 50%, start going a little bit more around the outside. Just to make it pop just a little bit more. And I'll go ahead and go over the whole top part also. There we go. There, so it just makes them pop out just a little bit more. We could even do more. We could increase the contrast here, because now that I've colored that part, anything that I do here will make that part stand out even more. I drop down the highlights just a little bit so it's not quite so blown out. Yeah, so let's look a little before and after here. We could do a lot more to the photo, right? I probably will do a lot more to the photo, but I wanted to show you this quick way to enhance your fireworks. Hope that helps, and be sure to check out all the other Luminar videos we have.